Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be talking about updating object properties. After you have created a JavaScript object, you can update its properties at any time just like you would update any other variable. You can use either dot or bracket notation to update. For example, let us look at our dog. So here we have our dog and our dog is our object. It has four properties: name, legs, tails, friends. Since he is a particularly happy dog, let's change his name to the string happy camper. Here's how we update his object's name property. Our dog.name is equal to happy camper, or our dog in square brackets name is equal to happy dog. So what we are doing here is that we are using dot or bracket notation, and we are writing our name, and we are assigning it a new value, which is happy camper in this case. Now when we evaluate our dog.name, instead of getting camper, we will be getting happy camper. So in this challenge, we need to update the my dog object's name property. Let's change her name from coder to happy coder. You can use either dot or bracket notation. So let us use dot notation, I think, because it's a bit more easier. My dog dot name is equal to happy camper. Sorry, happy coder. So I think it would be working now. To check that, we'll just print it. So now we have name as happy coder, so this is working. So let us run the test, and it is working perfect. Let us move to the next challenge.